Hi children, we are going to learn science class, third class science. Third class science. First lesson already we discussed yesterday: carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. Food feeding habits of animals. We discuss the subtopic food for domestic animals. Subtopic food for domestic animals. Okay, Nana? Food for domestic animals. What is the meaning of domestic animals? Domestic animals, Nana? Animals which works for humans. Okay, Nana? Is called as the domestic animals. Domestic animals are domestic animals do not do a lot of work. Domestic animals do a lot of work to us. Okay? But to us. These domestic animals, we feed them, we keep in our home and healthy and take care domestic animals. For examples of domestic animals like oxen, mule, donkeys, camel. These are the domestic animals. These animals are help to us. How to help to us means they work in field. They work in field or carry the loads. Means logs, our bags or our luggage or to carry the loads. Domestic animals do a lot of work for us. For example, animals like oxen, mule, donkey, camel. These are the working field, carry the loads. And here seen on the ones oxen fluffing the field, horses being used for riding, elephant carrying the logs. Ante elephants, horse, camels, mules, donkeys carry the loads and work in the fields. They need energy giving food. They need చాలా energy giving food ni తీసుకుంటారు. So they should be fed on oat and fodder. So they should be fed on oat and fodder. These are the domestic animals, not none. Some animals also there. What are they? Animals like cows. These are the energy giving food. We need energy giving food. Which animals? Donkey, elephant, horse, oxen. These are the energy giving food. They carry the loads. Next, domestic animals like buffaloes, goat. These are the given milk. These are cows, buffaloes, goat. These are the givers to milk. These are called as milk producing animals. Milk producing animals. Milk producing animals. Which animals are milk producing animals? Cows, buffaloes, goat. These are the milk producing animals. They give them food of the milk, and they should be fed on. They should fed on grass and oil seed cakes. Oil seed cakes. Elephant, horse, donkey, mules, oxen. These are the work for us. These animals are work to us in field, and cows, buffaloes, goat, these are the producing the milk food. Okay, these are the domestic animals. First, next, how to feed the animals food. Next one, how animals feed. Okay, different animals are feed different types of food. Yes or no? Different animals feed different types of food. Different animals eat different types. Some animals are the chew the food. Some animals are the gnaw the food. Some animals are the swallow the food. And mingadam, directly swallow food. Some animals are the eaten back out of the food in our mouth. These are the different animals are eat different types. Which types? Chew food, gnaw food, swallow food. Some animals are the bite small pieces. Okay, which animals are eat like that now? Say, I say. First one, flesh eating animals. You know none of flesh eating animals. Okay. For example, one example, snake and frogs. These animals they do not chew the food. These animals do not chew the food. Okay. Snakes and frogs do not chew the food. These animals swallow the food. These animals swallow the food. Snakes swallow the food directly. All. Okay na మొత్తాన్ని యానిమల్ మొత్తాన్ని ఒకేసారి స్వాలో చేసేస్తుంది అన్న దాన్ని డైరెక్ట్లీ ఈట్. Here seen on once this picture. It is a snake. Yes or no? Snake swallow the food. Directly swallow the food. Here seen on how to swallow the food. So the snake is not chewing the food and not biting the food. Only eating, swallow the food. Frogs swallow their food whole. మొత్తం యానిమల్ మొత్తాన్ని ఒకేసారి లోపలికి స్వాలో చేస్తుంది with help of head and mouth. జాస్ హెల్ప్తో దీన్ని ఈ ఫ్రాగ్ని మొత్తానికి స్వాలో చేసేస్తుంది. ద స్నేక్ స్వాలోస్ ఇట్ ఫుడ్ హోల్. మొత్తాన్ని ఒకేసారి స్వాలో చేసేస్తుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రాగ్. Frog eat which type of food eat frog, Nana? Insects. Frog eat insects. It has a long sticky tongue. Frog have a long sticky tongue. ఇలా చాలా పొడవుగా ఉన్న ఒక టంగ్ ఫ్రాగ్కి ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఈ ఫ్రాగ్ స్టిక్కీ టంగ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే ఇట్ షూట్ అవుట్ ఇట్స్ టంగ్. దాన్ని ఆ టంగ్ని దూరంగా విసిరివేసి దాన్ని క్యాచ్ చేస్తుంది, ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ని క్యాచ్ చేసి తింటుంది. ఓకేనా? ద ఫ్రాగ్ ఈట్ ఇన్సెక్ట్స్. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఎ లాంగ్ స్టిక్కీ టంగ్. It shoot out its tongue and to catch insects. Here see Nana how to catch the insect. The insect that get the stuck and on the tongue, it is a swallow the insect. Okay na? An insect gets stuck on the long and sticky tongue of a frog. These animals, not only snake and frog, Nana, lizard also like that swallow the food. Which animals swallow the food? Snake, frog, next lizards. These animals are the swallow the food, directly eat. Okay na? Total body of the animals swallow the food. Okay na? Next some domestic animals like lion, tiger. Lion, tiger. These lion, tiger animals, lion, examples, lion, tiger. These lion, tiger, these both animals are the tear and chew the food. Tear and chew the food. These animals' teeth have teeth so sharp. Teeth. They have so sharp teeth like this. So sharp teeth. These teeth are the pointed, curved and pointed teeth. Curved and pointed teeth. These animals tear the flesh. Tear the flesh and eat. Tear the flesh and eat. Once see Nana how to tear and how to chew the food here. Lion is a very big and sharp teeth present in mouth. Here see, shows sharp teeth. Okay na? These are the flesh eating animals. Lions, tigers, fox, dogs. These are the flesh eating animals. These eat bones also. Here see Nana, fox, dogs chew the flesh and bones, and so they have very sharp and pointed curved front teeth. Tear the flesh. They also have strong teeth. These teeth are help to us grind the food. These sharp teeth are help to us grind the food. These are the flesh eating animals. It is these animals are the eat chew food. Snake and lizards and frogs are the eat swallow the food. Lion, tiger, fox and dogs are the lion, tiger, tigers, lions, foxes, dogs. These are the flesh eating animals, Nana. These animals' teeth have a sharp teeth and curved teeth. These animals chew the food. Okay. Snake, frog, lizards. These animals are swallow the food. Okay, Nana. Villain flesh eating animals. Lion, tiger, fox, dogs are the chew the food and eat. And snake, frog, lizards are the swallow the food. Tomorrow we discuss Gna. Okay? Gna food. Okay, thank you.